Today we will do another attempt to pick the golden delicious in this field, because the last time we tried it 1.5 weeks ago, it was way too wet here, and yeah, that's when we decided to have a break of a week. So we're gonna try to do it again. So let's hope the machines get through now with the dual tires. Last time they didn't get through, they just got stuck and we had to pull them out with the tractor because it was just way too wet. And this is really heavy clay soil, so if it rains you really start to sink in it. So that's why we need the duals to do this. Let's hope it's gonna work. Just started picking golden delicious, and as you see, these are beautiful, big, green, and also with a red blush apples, which is really good. These are actually the greenest ones that we have. All the other rows are riper than this one. So let's get these onto the trailer. Well, the duals, they really did the job. As you can see, the machines came around the corner, so that's really good. That was never possible without duals. As we had years, we really had to pull the machines around with the tractor on this field. So it's good to have the duals. Of course, 4-wheel drive would even be better, but we just don't have that. So our machines are just without 4-wheel drive, and we just have to manage without it. It shouldn't be this wet during harvest. Unfortunately, it's one of these years where it is. But let's hope we had the worst part, as on the other side of the field it's also wet. We will find out. There were some complaints about this machine that this belt was not running properly anymore, and it seems that the V belt is worn out, but not just worn out, it seems like it's gotten upside down or something, because it looks really weird. So we're gonna take it out and put a new belt in, and then it should be all fine again. So let's take it apart. Well, that one is clearly worn out. It's really bad. So we're gonna put this new one on and then it should be good again. Well, that works perfectly again. Well, the valve block is doing a really good job. We can now lift properly again without having to throttle up a lot. So I'm really happy that we did this one. And I'm also happy with the suspension in there. As you can already see it when you drive over the field with apples on the rear. The stack of bin slowly goes a few centimeters up and down if you go through a hole. And that just really damps out the bump, so that's good. It doesn't harm the apples that much this way. Oh, and we're also relieved of all the oil leaks on the rear side here, so that's also a positive thing. It's amazing that we made the trails here 12 days ago for the Golden Delicious, for the machines to steer, and now 12 days later, after a whole week of continuously rain, we still have perfect trails because the machines they guide through like nothing. That means our trail maker is doing a good job. So we finished the Golden Delicious and we're now moving over to our home field, where we still have 5 rows of a new variety left to pick. So let's head there. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you get a notification when the next video comes online. Thank you for watching.